Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you are having a good time. Today we will make simple and delicious mutton biryani in pressure cooker. Let's start by preparing the biryani masala. Into the blender goes 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 4 red chilies, 1.5 teaspoon of fennel seeds, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, 10 to 12 peppercorns, about an inch of a cinnamon stick, 5 cardamom pods, 1 black cardamom, this is optional, 10 cloves and 1 bay leaf. Blend all of this into a fine powder. We will keep this aside for a while. Here I have taken about 600 grams of mutton, washed thoroughly and strained well. Into this goes our previously prepared masala. I had removed 1 teaspoon of the same masala to be used towards the end in this recipe. Make a smooth paste of 12 garlic pods, 3 green chilies and about 1.5 inch of ginger by adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of water or as necessary. The entire ginger, garlic and green chili paste goes into the mutton. Now add salt along with half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it a good mix and add water just to cover the mutton pieces. Add 1 bay leaf and keep it in medium flame for 4 whistles or until the mutton gets cooked completely. The mutton has cooked well. We have not added any oil till this point. Let's keep it aside for a while. Moving on to the rice preparation. Here we are taking 2.5 cups of basmati rice. Wash it well and soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Into the cooker, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil followed by 2 teaspoons of ghee. Add 2 finely chopped onions and saute well until it turns slightly brown. Finely chop a handful of pudina leaves and a bunch of coriander leaves. As soon as the onions turn slight brown, add pudina and coriander leaves into it and saute well. Once the leaves are done, add 2 finely chopped tomatoes. Give it a good mix. Cover and cook until the tomatoes are done. At this point, add 3 tablespoons of curd along with the juice of half a lemon, which comes to about 1 tablespoon. Adding lemon juice is optional. Soaked and strained rice goes in. Mix well to coat the rice evenly with the prepared masala. Separate the mutton pieces from the gravy. For 1 cup of rice, we need 1.5 cup of water. Here I got 2 cups of mutton gravy. The rest I added water so as to make it to the correct measurement. This goes into the pressure cooker. Check for salt and add if necessary, along with 3 green chilies. Keep it in medium flame for 1 whistle. This is the 1 teaspoon biryani masala that we have prepared earlier and kept aside. Into it goes a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of chili powder. Add the remaining gravy if any or water and mix well. Frying the mutton pieces separately is optional. You can also add it along with the rice into the pressure cooker and bring all of it to 1 whistle. As the pan gets hot, first add the masala paste followed by mutton pieces. I forgot to switch on the camera during that time. Fry it as per your preference, flipping on both sides and adding oil if necessary. Once done, switch off the flame. As soon as the cooker depressurizes, open it, give it a good mix. Rice has cooked perfectly well. Transfer it onto the serving dish. Arrange mutton pieces along with coriander leaves. Hope you like this video. See you soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.